Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 1, chapter 5. So students, in earlier I have completed your textbook page number 79. Now let's see your next page of your chapter number 5.
Here on page number 80, join in order. We have to join this and in the order. So in a sequence means we have to move in a sequence. So 1, after 1 which number came? 2. So after 1 we have to join this line. 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, 6. So here you have to move 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19 and 20. So we have to move from number 1 to 20 in a sequence to join in a order. And here you will see clearly which number we get by joining in order. We get number 5. Yes or no everyone? Which is your page number 81. On the 81 given, WRITE, write the MISSING, missing NUMBERS numbers. Write the missing numbers. हमें यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो numbers missing है, वो हमें fill up करने हैं. Can you see here? See, 10 number given and here blank box means we have to find out which number would be here. So after 10, which number, students? Can anyone tell me? Raspuro Jumana Fatima, tell me which number came after 10, beta?
11.
Very good. Yes, Sumana Fatima is absolutely right. After 10, number 11 came. Very good, Hafiz beta. Now let me ask Sheikh Muhammad Amar, tell me your answer beta. After 13, which number came?
14.
Yes, absolutely right. After 13, 14. So here we are going in a sequence, right? Beta, after 15, which number? Yes, I can't get G. 16. Yes, Ismail is absolutely right. After 15, number came. After 16, which number came?
17.
Yes, very good, Amina. You are absolutely right. After 16, 17. Very nice. And tell me after 70, which number came?
18.
Yes, 1, 8, 18. Very good, beta. After 18, which number came?
19.
Yes, absolutely right. Number 19. After 16 and before 18, which number came? Which number? Yes, you are
20.
very good. Ayan is absolutely right. Tell me here 13. After 13.
14.
Yes, Awaka, listen carefully. After 13 and before 15, which number came, beta?
15.
No, before 15 and after 13. After 13. 13 के बाद कौन सा number?
14.
Yes, very good, Abu Bakr. You are at next exercise. Before starting explanation of this exercise, here I have mentioned you number 10 to 20 just for your explanation. You don't have to write down it over here. राइट आपको ये नंबर्स नहीं लिखने हैं, आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से समझा सकूँ इसके लिए मैंने ये लिखा हुआ है. राइट, सो योर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज WHAT what, COMES comes, AFTER after 18 means what comes after 18, यानी 18 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा. राइट, सो हियर यू कैन सी आफ्टर 18 वी आर हैविंग 2 बॉक्स, सो मीन्स वी हैव टू सी the after number of 80 and whatever answer we are getting that number also we have to see the after. तो सबसे पहले हम 18 नंबर यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Here can you see after means उसके बाद. So after here, so after 18 which number came students? Here you can see which number is this? 19. So here in this box you have to write down 19. And again you have to see that after 19 which number came. So here 19 number. After 19 which number came? 19 के बाद कौन सा number आ रहा है students? 20. So here you have to mention 20. So after 18, 19, and after 19, 20. So you have to mention these two numbers in this given box. Now next again, WHAT, what? COMES, comes. AFTER, after. 14, 14. So like this we have seen after number of 18, right? So likewise we have to see the after number of 14. So first of all here is your number 14, and after means उसके बाद. तो 14 के बाद which number is students? Which number came after 14 students? 15. Which number? 15. So here you have to mention 15. And again if you will see after 15 there is one blank box. So we have to again see which number came after 15. So here your number after 15. Now we have to see which number came after 15. 15 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? 16. So here you have to mention 16. So everyone have to write down in first box 15 and in second box 16. WHAT, what? COMES, comes. BEFORE, before. 16. Before यानी उससे पहले. So what comes before 16? यानी 16 नंबर से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? For example here 17 given and before 17 16 mentioned. So before 17 16 number is there. So what came before 16? So first of all we have to find out here 16. Before means उससे पहले यानी इससे पहले. So before 16 which number came students? 15. So here we got answer 15. So everyone write down over here 15. Next is WRITE, write. Numbers, NUMBERS, numbers. BEFORE, before, and AFTER, after 9. So here wait students. So before and after 9 means here 9 number given. We have to find out before 9 which number came before 9 and which number came after 9. So here I have written number 9. Before 9 means 9 से पहले. So before 9. So before 9 which number came students? Number 8. So here you have to mention 8. And after 9 यानी 9 के बाद. So which number came after 9? 9 के बाद हम कौन सा नंबर बोलते हैं? 10. So here you have to write down 10. So before 9 number 8 come, and after 9 number 10. Is it clear everyone? Next students, WRITE, write. NUMBERS, numbers. BEFORE, before. ANDR, and AFTER, after. 1880. So write the numbers before and after 18 यानी 18 से पहले. Before means 18 से पहले and after 18 यानी 18 के बाद. Right? So first of all here is your number 18. Before 18 means 18 से पहले. So before 18 which number came students? 17. So here we got answer 17. And after 18 यानी 18 के बाद. So here we already given which number came after 18 students? 19. So here you have to write down it 19. Now next one, WRITE, write. NUMBERS, numbers. BEFORE, before. AND, and. AFTER, after. 10 means we have to write down the numbers which came before and after 10, means before 10 and after 10. So here is your number 10. Before यानी इससे पहले. So number 10 से पहले कौन सा number आता है students? Number 9. So here we have to mention 9. And after 10 यानी 10 के बाद. So which number came after 10 students? 11. Which number? 11. So here you have to write down answer 11. So all of you got it. Page number 81. All the answers. Is it visible? Clearly दिख रहा है ना सभी answers? Now on your next page number 82. 82 page number पे क्या दिया है students here? CIRCLE, circle. THE, the, circle. The. BIGGER, bigger. NUMBER, number. So here question is circle the bigger number. Bigger यानी जो बिग होता है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. हम लोग सीक्वेंस में जैसे ही नंबर आगे आगे जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू आर सी वन नंबर after 1 2, so 2 is bigger than 1. Why? Because 1 we are considering one finger, in a 2 finger we are adding one more finger, right? So that means when we are going in a sequence in a forward after numbers, so next number would be a bigger than the previous one, right? So that means 2 is bigger than 1. Understood everyone? Understood? So we have to circle the bigger number. For example here 11 and 13 example given. So as you know after 11 12 13, so that means 13 is a bigger number, right? So that's why circle already put in your textbook. यहाँ पे already circle दिया हुआ है, right? Now let's do the second one, 13 and 15. So we have to find out the bigger number among these two. दोनों में से कौन सा bigger number है वो हमें find out करना है. So bigger number 13, 14, 15, right? 13, 14, 15. So which number came last? 15. So that means 15 is a bigger number. So we have to put a circle on the number 15. So come on everyone. Now next one, number 18 and 8. We have to find out the bigger number among these two. So students, if you will see after 8, ये देखो 18 having 2 digit number. After 8 if you will see 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and then we come for the 18 number, right? So that means this number came last. So that means 18 is a bigger number. So we have to put a circle on the number 18. So students, next is number 12 and 8. So we have to find out the bigger number from 12 and 8. So if you will see the sequence, if you will count the sequence, so after 8, 9, 10, 11 and then came 12. So as I told you, whenever we are going for the forward number or after numbers, that after number is a bigger, right? So that means 12 came last in the sequence compared to the 8. So that means 12 is the bigger number, right? So we have to put a circle on the number 12. Is it clear everyone? Next one. Here students, 17 and 7. So can anyone tell me which number is the smaller? 17 or 7? Which number beta? Small, bigger? 17 or 7?
17.
Yes, you are absolutely right beta. 17 is a bigger number. So we have to put a circle. We have to put a circle on the number 17. Is it clear? And tell me 11 and 10. Which one is the bigger number beta?
11.
Yes, absolutely right. 11 is a bigger number. So here we have to put a circle on the number 11. Karo and tell me from 16 and 6 which number is the bigger? Can you tell me, Ismail?
16.
Yes, obviously 16 is the bigger number. So we have to put a circle on the 16. From 1 and 11, which number is the bigger beta? Yes, you are absolutely right. 11 is the bigger number. So we have to put a circle on the number 11. Tell me from 9 and 19, which one is the bigger number, students? Khadija?
19.
Yes, Khadija, you are absolutely right, beta. 19 is the bigger number. You can see all the answers of a bigger number on your page number 82. Here I have put the circle all the bigger number. Yes or no, everyone? Your next exercise is here CIRCLE, circle. The THE, SMALLER, smaller. NUMBER, number. We have to put a circle on the smaller number. Yes or no, everyone? So for example, here 20 and 10. The example given. Now from these two, we have to find out the smaller number. So 20 and 10. First came 10, then we got the 20, right? So first 10 came, so 10 is a smaller number. So here we have to put a circle on the number 10, right? The next question 6 and 4. Among these two, we have to find out the smaller number, right? So 6 and the 4. Here we can see 4, 5, 6. So 6 came after and before came 4, right? 4 came first, then 6 came. So that means 4 is a smaller number. So we have to put a circle on the number 4. So you have to put a circle also on the number 4. Come on. Next one number is 10 and 12. So tell me beta, Kabir, among 10 and 12, which one is the smaller number, Kabir? Kabir? 10. Yes, 10 is a smaller number. So we have to put a circle on the number 10. Tell me, among 11 and 9, which one is the smaller number, beta Shifa? Can you tell me? Which one is the smaller number, beta?
9.
Yes, Shifa, you are absolutely right, beta. Which one? Number 9 is a smaller number. Tell me, beta, among this number 5 and 15, which one is the smaller? Yes, obviously. Which number? Number 5. Very good, beta. 5 and 15, 5 is a smaller number. So we have to put a circle on the number 5. Is it clear? Among this 12 and 2, which one is the smaller number, Mariam? Can you tell me, beta?
2.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Mariam. 2 is a smaller number. So we have to put a circle on the number 2. Tell me, beta, among this 16 and 70, which one is a smaller number? Can you hear my voice? Tell me, beta.
16.
Yes, you are absolutely right, beta. 16 is a smaller number. So here we have to put a circle on the number 6. Abu Bakr, tell me, among this number 9 and 10,
9.
which one is smaller, Abu Bakr?
9.
Yes, Abu Bakr, you are absolutely right. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Okay, so 9 is a smaller. So here we have to put on the circle on the number 9. Now, audio unmute karo and tell me 15 and 13. 15 and 30, which one is a smaller number, beta?
13.
Yes, Safwan, beta, you are absolutely right. Number 13 is a smaller number. So here we have to put on a circle on the number. So here we get all the answers, and I have already put the circle on the smaller number, page number 82. Can you see all the answers? So you have to also put the circles on the smaller number as I did. Yes or no, everyone? Now students, next one, page number 83. On that given, circle the biggest number. Now what we have to do? We have to put the circle on the biggest. Now students, till now we have seen bigger. Now we will see the biggest. And earlier I explained you the difference between bigger and the biggest. मैंने आपको explain किया था ना? That here you can see we are comparing two numbers, and here we are comparing more than two numbers. So while we are comparing two numbers, we use bigger, and while we are comparing more than two numbers or more than two objects, we are considering the biggest and the smallest, right? So we have to find out the biggest number among these three numbers. So here we are having 13, 3 and 9. So as the 13 is the biggest number among these given numbers, so already circle given on the number 13, right? Likewise, now we have to find out here 12, 15 and 20. Among these three numbers, we have to find out the biggest number, right? So if you will see, students, I am speaking sequence so that you will get the biggest number. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 came last, so that means 20 is the biggest number among this 12 and 15. Is it clear? So here on to number 20 we have to put the circle. Yes, Hussein beta, tell me, among this 10, 5 and 12, which one is the biggest number? Tell me. Yes, Hussein, you are absolutely right, beta. Yes, Hussein, you are absolutely right, beta. 12 is the biggest number among this 10 and 5. So here we have to put the circle on the number 12. Yes or no, everyone? Tell me, which one is the biggest number from 11, 12 and 13? Tell me, beta Arman, which one is the biggest number among these three?
13.
Yes, obviously Arman, you are right that 13 is the biggest number. Beta, among this 19, 18 and 17, which one is the biggest number, beta? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Which
Yes,
which one is the biggest number, beta?
बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 90.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Which number? 19. Ayan, tell me, from this 13, 16 and 14, which one is the biggest number, Ayan? Can you tell me, beta? 13, 16 and 14.
Which one? 61.
161 nahi beta, 1. Yes. So yes, students, from 13, 16 and 14, 16 is the biggest number. So here we have put a circle on the number 16. Understood, everyone? So here I have put a circle on all the biggest number as asked in a question. Yes or no? Can you see all the answers which I have put a circle in it? So students, afterward, next exercise is circle the smallest number. Now till now we have find out the biggest. Now we have to find out the smallest. For example, here 7, 2 and 4. So 7, 2 and 4, among these two, 3, 2 is the smallest number. So here circle already put in your textbook, right? Now we have to find out here 14, 16 and 12. Among these three, which one is the smallest? Tell me, which one is the smallest number?
12.
Yes, Amar, you are absolutely right, beta. 12 is the smallest number. So here we have to put a circle on the number 12. And tell me, among these 15, 7 and 20, which one is the smallest, beta? Come on, Ahmed, tell me, beta. Which one is the smallest? Ahmed, can you hear? Which one, beta?
7.
Yes, Ahmed, you are absolutely right. 7 is the. Next is 19, 8 and 9. So among these three, here we can see 8 is the smallest number. Which one? You know which one? 8 is the smallest. So here we have to put a circle on the number 8. Is it clear? The next one, 1, 10 and 20. So first number came 1, then we go for 10 and 20. So that means 1 is the smallest number. So here we have to put on the circle with the on the number 1. And here 8 is the smallest. So here we have to put the circle on 8. Next is 16, 15 and 14. So if you will see 14, 15 and 16. So 14 came first. So that means 14 is the smallest number. So we have to put a circle on the number 14. Is it clear to everyone? So here I have put all the circles on the given all the smallest number. Is it visible to everyone? So next we will start page number 84. Here given addition concept. What it is given here? Addition. So students, addition already we did in chapter number 3. हमने chapter number 3 में additions किया था. Chapter number 4 we have done subtraction also, right? So same things given for numbers. Now we were learned already students. Chapter number 3 में जो addition हमें दिया था ना, वो हमें chapter 1 से numbers from 0 to 9 only we can do addition up to 9 numbers, right? But now we will do addition till the 20 numbers. Why? Because in this chapter now we learn numbers from 10 to 20 also. So we can do addition up to 20. That's why here given concept of addition again, right? In chapter number 3 we have seen addition till number 9. Okay, so see here first is 4 plus 5. So students, now you will count these numbers. In the 4 we have to add this one, the sign of a plus or addition. In the number 4 we have to now add number 5. So 4 and 5 both the number we have to count on our fingers. So first which number? 4. So that I am counting starting from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So till here I have count number 4. So I am making a pointer like this. Now on that number 4, how many we have to add? We have to add 5. So till here we count 4. Afterward we have to count the number 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we count all together 4 and 5. So now we will find out total how many. So in that 4 we add 5. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What we get answer students? 9. So that means 4 plus 5 we get answer 9. So here you have to write down answer 9, right? Now next one, 5 plus 2, right? So now students, you have to do the addition of 5 plus 2. Means in the number 5 we have to add the 2. So students, how you will add? Now students, you can do addition very quickly. How? So here see 5 number is there and first number के अंदर कौन सा number हमें add करना है? That number circles you can draw it or that numbers you can keep it in your fingers. Now see, here in the 5 you have to add 2. So for 2 I have drawn 2 circles. Now in the 5 we have to add 2. So after 5 you have to count for this 3 circles. See, after 5, 6, 7. What we get answer? 7. So that means 5 plus 2 you get answer 7. And if you will count in your fingers, then also you will get the answer 7, right? So like this way you will do the addition. Very quickly you get the answer. कैसे करना है समझ में आया? 5 plus 2 के बाद सेकेंड नंबर जो हमें ऐड करना है वो नंबर के लिए सर्कल्स ड्रॉ कर दो और फर्स्ट जो नंबर लिया है उसके आफ्टर नंबर से जितने भी सर्कल्स है वो काउंट करो तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा. येस और नो? राइट? Let me check 9 we will get or not. 4, in the 4 we have to add 5. So for 5 second number I have drawn 5 circles, and if you want to add this 5 into 4, after 4 you have to count the 5. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get answer 9. So now you understood, very easy and quickly we can do the addition. Yes. So here 0 plus 3. So students, this one is the common addition, means in addition lesson, addition chapter, I have already explained you that whenever you are adding in the 0 any number, 0 के अंदर अगर हम कोई भी number add करेंगे, so whatever number we are adding, we get that number as an answer. Yes or no? So 0 plus 3, so we get answer 3. 0 is means what? Nothing, empty, blank. So if you are entering nothing, that number we get as a answer. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, the next one, 6 plus 2. So students, now quickly addition you have to do as I instruct you, as I explain you. How? So first number in it we have to add the second number. So whatever that second number, for that we have to draw the number of circle. जो हमारा सेकेंड नंबर जो दिया है, जो हमें ऐड करना है फर्स्ट नंबर के अंदर, वो नंबर के लिए आपको नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. देन first numbers, afterwards you have to count to the number circles so that you will get the answer. Means after 6 you have to count to add that number. So after 6, 7, 8. So what we get answer, students? 8. So 6 plus 2, we get answer 8. Is it clear to everyone? See, 6 plus 2, here also 6 plus 2. So if we did 6 plus 2, what we get answer? 8. So here also what we get answer? 8. No change because both the numbers are same. In 6 we have to add 2. So we get answer 8. Now student, next one, 0 plus 5. Again students, here also I have explained you that if we are adding 0 in any number or in 0 if we are adding any number, so that number which we are adding it, that number always we get as a answer. आप 0 के अंदर 3 ऐड करो या 3 के अंदर 0 ऐड करो, तो जो भी हम नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं वो नंबर हमें आंसर में मिलेगा. सो लाइकवाइज ऑल्सो हियर सेम question that 0 plus 5, in the 0 we have to add the number 5. So 0 plus 5, what we get answer, students? We get answer 5. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, the next one is 1 plus 7. So students, as I told you, while we are adding it, first number जो number हमें add करना है वो numbers of circles हमें draw करने हैं, एंड ऑन दैट नंबर जो इसमें हमें ऐड करना है उसके लिए सर्कल्स ड्रॉ नहीं करने, राइट. सो फॉर 7 आई एम ड्रॉइंग 7 सर्कल्स लाइक दिस, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So I have drawn 7 circles. Now what we have to add? 1 in number 1 we have to add number 7. So that means on the number 1, so after 1 we have to count for this 7. So after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What we get answer, students? 8. So that means if we are adding in a 1 number 7, so we get answer